A group of volunteers on Wednesday embarked on a month-long renovation project at a Seaford home for adults with special needs. The Home Depot's Team Depot began a $13,000 interior and exterior facelift. The work is expected to take several weeks. The project will entail demolition and upgrades to the kitchen and interior of the home, as well as landscaping improvements in the front and backyards. Now, this house is part of a network of facilities operated by adults and children with learning and developmental disabilities, or ACLD.
Well, at the Home Depot, it's one of our core values. It's the way we do business. We're not just a business, that we're a part of the community.
This is the second kitchen they've refreshed, and we're talking about everything from the flooring to the appliances to the countertops. And in addition, as you can see on the hottest day of the year, landscaping this beautiful yard.
It's a feel-good project, of course, not only for the people that work for the Home Depot, for Team Depot and for the Home Depot Foundation to see where their dollars are going, but this also enriches the community.
The facelift was paid for through the Home Depot Foundation. Residents of the home worked directly with Team Depot on the design, layout, and color scheme.